Alright, this is for the people that's having trouble where other people can't hear you on the Ford Fusion, the 13 to 20 Fusion. Alright, this is the microphone. Let's see if I can remove that. This is the part number for it, and this is what it looks like. Now, depending what your vehicle, now the hybrid ones, they have multiple microphones. This one here is for the sync system, so if you're trying to talk to the sync system or making a phone call, this would be it. This would be the microphone. And on the hybrid ones also, they have this one here, then they got the one that's on the headliner for the active noise control or something like that. I guess that's what they call it. But this one here, since mine is not a hybrid and people's having a hard time hearing me when I'm making phone calls, this is the part there be. So I've already taken the overhead console down. You gotta be gentle, or you gotta kind of be gentle at it, but you gotta be do a good firm pull downwards, because you'll have a tab here, a tab there, tab here, and tab here. Now what I do, I start on the back. I try to get my fingers between the headliner and the actual console and pull downwards on one side, and do the same thing on this side here. Pull downwards, and you want to, I try to get right about here or so, right next to the clip, and pull downwards. You don't want to pry on this piece here, because this here, all it is just plastic welded to it. So I try to pull on the actual overhead console. So anyways, after that you'll need a T20 and a flat blade screwdriver, optional. So you'll have two screws, one here, one over here. Now I've already got those off. Now you will have tabs, one here and one on this other side here. I was able to use my fingernail and just pull it out just enough to get over this lip here. But if you don't have fingernails, this the little small flat blade screwdriver will work. Now here's the microphone connector here. You want to go ahead and undo that. Just pops out, and just want to kind of pull it out just like so, and you can get this little cover piece off and out of the way. Alright, so here is where your microphone's at, right there. Now you want to make a note of it. It is directional, so to the speaker. So on mine, the arrow's facing this way. So you want, when you put the new one on, you want to look at it and see, okay, this is a screen side. This is where your voice would go through. This is going to be the back of it. So the way I want to do it is have it facing this way. I don't know how well you can see that. To the speaker. To the speaker. Now, what I'm going to try to do, you can pull backwards on it. You might need two fingers, separate them both at the same time while pulling outwards. Alright, so I got it out. Now you got the new one in. Make sure it goes the right way. To the speaker is going towards the sunglasses holder. Just want to gently push it inwards until you hear the little click on both sides. Kind of pull on it just to make sure mine's attached. Then now you're ready to go ahead and put this on. So you do have a little arm right there that you want to get the wire into. Then we'll go up and go underneath this little arm and up. Then you want to have the main connector sitting right inside. Alright, so it took me a little bit to get this on, but basically I had to slide the back end in first, then I was able to push down and lock it in. So that little groove there, that's holding on to it. So at that point you all finished and you're ready to go ahead and put your two T20 screws back in place and go and reinstall in the vehicle. So hopefully this video helps you out. Thanks for watching.